I,
I, Sanjiv Khanna, having been appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
Justice Sanjiv Khanna, who took office as the 51st Chief Justice of India, is known for his pivotal role in several landmark rulings that have shaped India's legal and political landscape. With a career that spans decades, Justice Khanna's decisions have often been at the heart of major constitutional debates and reforms. He will serve as Chief Justice until 13 May 2025, leaving behind a lasting impact on India's judicial history. A legacy of judicial excellence. Justice Sanjiv Khanna, who hails from a distinguished legal family in Delhi, is the son of former Delhi High Court Judge Justice Devraj Khanna and the nephew of former Supreme Court Judge H.R. Khanna. His career reflects a deep commitment to constitutional integrity, judicial independence, and the pursuit of justice. As Chief Justice, he is expected to continue his work on strengthening the judicial system and addressing key challenges facing the legal landscape in India. Let's take a look at some of the key decisions that have marked his tenure. Endorsing the use of electronic voting machines. Justice Khanna was part of a crucial decision that upheld the continued use of electronic voting machines in elections. His bench ruled that EVMs are safe, reliable, and essential in eliminating issues like booth capturing and fake voting, thereby reinforcing the integrity of India's electoral process. Striking down the electoral bond scheme. In a historic ruling, Justice Khanna was part of the 5-judge bench that declared the electoral bond scheme unconstitutional. The scheme, which allowed anonymous political donations, was criticized for fostering opacity in political funding and raising concerns over corruption. The verdict was seen as a significant step towards greater transparency in India's political financing system, supporting the abrogation of Article 370. Justice Khanna was also a key member of the bench that upheld the Centre's 2019 decision to revoke Article 370 of the Constitution, which granted special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This decision marked a significant shift in the region's political and constitutional status, making it one of the most controversial and consequential judgments in recent Indian history. Granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal for Lok Sabha campaign. In a high-profile case, Justice Khanna's bench granted interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, allowing him to campaign in the Lok Sabha elections despite being embroiled in legal proceedings related to the excise policy scam. This decision was notable for balancing the need for justice with the rights of elected representatives to participate in democratic processes. Throughout his judicial career, Justice Khanna has been a strong advocate for reducing the backlog of pending cases and expediting the delivery of justice. He has called for reforms that would streamline court procedures and enhance judicial efficiency to ensure that justice is not delayed. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments and keep watching India TV for more updates.